Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me and Charlie today. It's Monday, so it's giveaway day, and I thought I would do something a little bit different. I've seen Mary Barrett's giveaways and her videos, and I think, you know, the way she's doing it's pretty good, in the way of that, you know, I might do a giveaway and you might not really want that particular giveaway. So I've got a couple of things here that I've been sorting out my craft room and I have no need for. So what I'm going to do is show you everything that I have up for, you know, grabs. And if you're interested and you would like to be put forward for one of these giveaways, if you can just leave a comment below just saying which item you would like or items, and then I'll do a draw, and if your name comes out you can get that item, etc. So there is more than one giveaway this week, so whatever you like, just put down which one you'd like to be entered for. You must be a subscriber and please like the video. So I have a big basket in front of me, and I have this big pack of glitter foam. It's 10 sheets of A5 glitter foam in lots of different colours. You've got blue, pink, green, purple, and silver. So that is the first item, a pack of glitter foam, and there's 10 sheets there. So if you can make use of those, just leave a comment below. Now these I can split between quite a few of you. I have a big box of buttons, lots and lots of buttons, and there are a couple of different sizes in here. They're just cream and white, and there's some little colours on the back of these ones, so I can split this between quite a few of you and send you a little pack of buttons. I'll probably put, you know, a couple of hundred in each one. So if you'd like some buttons, I have a great big huge box, and I do not have need for all of those. It's just ridiculous. So there's a big box of buttons. Then I have let's see what else we have here. Oh, I have another one of these card making kits. This is a wedding card making kit, and it's got some little die cuts, some beads, some ribbon, some lovely little heart brads, and it has 4 different card bases, I believe, so you can make some wedding cards. So that's the next one. Then this lot here are just card blanks. Now I'm not sure how many's in each pack. I'm going to say 5 in each, but if I'm wrong I do apologise. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 6 in that one. So they're all different coloured card blanks. They are square ones, they're all square, and then there's some lilac ones. So there's 3 packs of card blanks, card blanks and envelopes in different colours. So that will go to one person, that one. Then I have these adhesive chalkboard sheets, A5. There's 20 sheets in here. So if somebody could make use of these, I have never used them. I was going to get them for a project and decided to not use them, so they're just sat in my drawer. And you're being a little funny boy, aren't you? He's being all cute. He loves his space on the new desk. Right, so there's these chalkboard, God, I can't get my words out, chalkboard sheets as well. And let's have a look. Oh, right, Charles, you're in my way. Right, this is another set. Now these is sort of a seaside kind of theme. There's a stamp set, so you've got like the beach huts and seagulls and fish and starfish and sandcastles. So that's a stamp set. There's I do not know what that is, these chipboardy sort of things. I am not quite sure. Yeah, they're little chipboard seashells and things on like a little chipboard thing. And there's some tags to go with it, and also a little pack of like embellishments. Excuse me. So that is another, that's a giveaway that will be kept together. Excuse me. Right, okay, the next thing I have, oh, let's put these together. Right, I'm going to keep these two together. They're little stamping spots, stamping spots that you fill up with ink if you want to, you know, take them like to a class or something. So there's a pack of 5 of those. They're brand new, never obviously been used. And some stamping up sponges, you know, to use for your project. So there's some sponges. Oh my gosh, now you are being a pain. Ink spots and sponges, stamping up ink spots and sponges. And I'm really going to lose it with you in a minute. Right, now, does anybody want loads and loads and loads of eyelets? Now, these are big eyelets, so they're too big for the my crocodile. Well, if they're not, then I can't use them. I don't know how. It doesn't squish them, and they're quite deep. So these are quite hard. They're hard eyelets, but there's loads here. So if there's a couple of you, I'll split these. So these are the big eyelets though, and I do not know what you would use to do these. I bought the wrong size, so I have a big container of eyelets which I can split between, let's just say 3 people if you want some big eyelets, but I can't get my crocodile to work with it. They're the next size up from the biggest one on the crocodile. Right, stop being a little monkey. Right, okay, now these I'm going to all put together because they're just bits and pieces. There's like a squirrel tag. There's some glitter, packets of really fine glitter, Christmas coloured glitter. A little teddy bear banners on sticks. Some Tim Holtz Ideology memo pins. And a little cross stitch kit, so I'll keep all those together if someone. So if you just let me know, let me just say I've got one more. I have some more buttons, so these are bigger buttons, and there's probably enough for 2 people here. They're great big buttons, so if you'd like some of those, let me know as well. So if you just let me know if you would like big buttons or small buttons or both. Let's just call it the cross stitch set. Eyelets, the seaside set, then chalkboard, set of blank cards, the wedding card kit. We've done buttons already. The stamping up items, and the glitter foam. Right, so that's quite a lot of things to give away this week. So please let me know if you would like any of those, and I will run this for a week up till midnight on Sunday, and then I'll draw out the winners for this giveaway. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Come on, Charlie, you come here now. If you've been drooling all over my table, you mucky pup. Right on my baby wipes. Oh, I don't know which drawer I've put them in. He's gone, and they're mucky all over my desk. Drooly pants. You've just drooled all over the table. He's a mucky pup. Mucky pup. Right, my lovelies. So if you just leave a comment in the box below. Remember, you must be a subscriber to take part, and just let me know what of those items you would like, if any. So thanks for watching, and thanks for taking part, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.